How to become Ria Money Transfer agent in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a Ria Money Transfer agent, and let's just directly jump into the video. So to become a successful money transfer agent of Ria, you have to understand the role of a money transfer agent first, and then you have to you have to learn the step-by-step guide to becoming a Ria Money Transfer agent. And the initial requirements are, as a small business owner, you already possess two core components that will help kickstart your career as a money transfer agent. And your store and your customers combined, they provide you with a commercial presence as well as a basic understanding of local migrants' needs, including their preferred language. Additionally, you will also need a printer, a functioning computer, and a stable internet connection. These devices will enable you to process cross-border transfers and provide customers with physical receipts for their transactions. And the application process is, first and foremost, the registered you interest is in becoming a Ria Money Transfer agent. You need to visit their dedicated Become an Agent web page and provide them with some initial contact details as well as the name and the sector of your business, small business, like this one. You have to fill up the information like giving the first name, the last name, email, business phone, mobile phone, address, city, state or province, postal code, country of residence, and business type, business name. And you can also write a message, and you have to just click on I have read the accept yes privacy policy and click on I am aware that I am sharing my personal data with the money transfer group entities. And lastly, you have to click on I am human and click on message us. And after that, a member of their sales team will then reach out to help you build the strongest possible application. Given you will be handling cash and personal information, they will need to provide national authorities with a variety of documents as well as a physical proof of your commercial address. As an experienced money transfer company with an extensive agent network spread across nearly 200 countries and territories, and they have a thorough understanding of all the relevant laws and regulations in each nation. As a result, they can help specify the precise information you are required to provide and resolve any lingering doubts you may have regarding the application process. During this phase, you will also receive a contract from them, and which among other things contains your commission rate. And then the onboarding part, as soon as they receive confirmation of your approval, their sales team will swiftly contact you to schedule your training before the session begins. And their specialists will activate your account and issue you a unique agent number, a code that will enable you process cross border transactions on their online platform. And that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.